in the still of the night, with the moon shining bright, sitting on the couch, sharing feelings holding tight. Tears fall like rain, but I'll dry everyone, wrapped in blankets warm till the morning sun. Pouring tea in the silence, voice soft as can be. You'll find your peace here, just you and me. It's okay, we'll get through this. Wrapped up, warm, every tear dismissed. Cry it out, let the worries in. My friend, it's okay, it's okay. Remember the good times, laughter fills our minds. Even in the shadow, joy's not far behind. Through the highs and lows, our bond will sustain. In this night of sorrow, I'm feeling your pain. But in these moments shared, we find true relief. Healing starts tonight in our blanket of peace. It's okay, we'll get through this. Wrapped up, warm, every tear dismissed. Cry it out, let the worries fade. My friend, it's okay, it's okay. We got a friendship soul back when we were grown. I got your back and you got mine, and together we'll get through this. Wrapped up, warm, every tear dismissed. Cry it out, let the worries sway. My friend, it's okay, it's okay. We'll get through this. Wrapped up, warm, every tear dismissed. Your tears are mine, your fears I'll take. For you, my friend, I'll never break. It's okay, it's okay.